Did you know pancakes are the only food that has its own spiritual dimension? Let's dive into the pancake ritual first. Imagine this, a kitchen, cleared of distractions, lit only by the warm glow of a candle, a whisper to the pancake spirits, an exchange of promises, eternal fame for their culinary blessings. How about that for setting the right atmosphere? It's all part of the process, the sacred dance of pancake creation. Now that we've honored the pancake spirits, it's time to move on to the real work. Ever heard of the mystical pancake stone? It's time to find it in your pantry. Nestled between forgotten pickles and ancient beans lies the perfect pan or griddle, our pancake stone. Treat it gently, dust it off, and pay homage to the pancake runes etched on its surface. This sacred tool, a testament to many a breakfast feast, holds the key to creating pancake perfection. With the pancake stone in our grasp, let's proceed to the next step. Batter up. But first, let's establish a psychic connection with it. Gather your ingredients: a cup of flour, a tablespoon of sugar, a pinch of salt, and a dash of baking powder. Mix them together, then add a touch of melted butter, an egg, and enough milk to make it smooth. Now dim the lights and put on some smooth jazz. Gaze into your batter, sending vibes of fluffiness and deliciousness its way. Having transmitted our messages of fluffiness to the batter, now we suit up. Before we brave the stove, we must suit up in our pancake armor. This is not just about safety, but a rite of passage into the world of pancake mastery. Our armor, you see, is crafted from the finest oven mitts, non-stick spatulas, and a mixing bowl helmet. Each piece is a testament to our commitment to perfect pancakes. As we don this ceremonial attire, we recite the pancake oath, vowing to protect and serve pancakes of all sizes. Armed and ready, we move on to pancake aerobics. Before the flipping frenzy begins, let's engage in some pancake aerobics. Flex those spatula-wielding muscles and prepare for a dance with our doughy partners. Now you'll know it's time to twirl or flip when you see tiny bubbles forming on the surface. Remember, a graceful pancake pirouette can make the difference between a golden disc of deliciousness and a burnt breakfast blunder. So twirl, spin, and flip with finesse, my pancake-loving friends. With our pancakes flipped to perfection, let's move on to the final step. The moment of truth is upon us. It's time to present our pancake masterpiece. With a flourish, place your golden stack on a suitable pedestal, perhaps your favorite breakfast plate. Don't shy away from extravagance. Adorn your creation with a crown of whipped cream, a scattering of fresh fruits, and let rivers of maple syrup cascade down its sides. A side of crispy bacon or fresh berries could be the perfect companions. Now sit back and bask in the glory of your absurdly perfect pancakes. You've conquered the breakfast realm with skill, determination, and a touch of whimsy.
Craving more how-to goodness? Subscribing not only fuels our creative fire, but unlocks a treasure trove of tutorials guaranteed to level up your life. So, why wait? Hit that subscribe button now and dive into a world of endless possibilities. And explore our other videos for a journey towards success.